From the seat of power to a subterranean shelter, Iran's supreme leader is no longer in Tehran. As Israeli missiles pound the capital under Operation Roaring Lion, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has reportedly been moved to a secure, undisclosed location as per confirmations from a senior Iranian official confirmed to Reuters. In a dramatic escalation, an Israeli official has now claimed that both Supreme Leader Khamenei and Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian were targeted in the joint US-Israeli strikes, though the results of those strikes remain unclear. The relocation follows reports that 7 missiles hit areas near the presidential palace and close to Khamenei's own compound in Tehran. Explosions echoed across the city. Iranian state media confirmed the strikes, saying air defense systems were activated nationwide, insisting both leaders are safe. Both opposition outlet Iran International reports that Khamenei has gone underground into a fortified bunker in northeastern Tehran, possibly in Lavizan, a hardened complex believed to be linked by interconnected tunnels designed to withstand sustained assault. This is not unprecedented. Khamenei, who has ruled Iran since 1989 after succeeding Ayatollah Khomeini, wields ultimate authority over the military, judiciary and foreign policy. And when conflict intensifies, the protocol is clear. He has been relocated multiple times before Operation Roaring Lion, be it earlier this year amid US naval deployments in the region or during Operation Rising Lion, and then ahead of the 2025 strikes. Each time, the supreme leader disappears from the capital into fortified bunkers built for regime survival. Now, with US backing for Israel's campaign and President Donald Trump reaffirming joint strikes aimed at curbing Iran's nuclear ambitions, the stakes are higher than ever. This is no longer shadow warfare. This conflict is now at the doorstep of Iran's supreme authority.